Howdy class. So obviously my name is Mr. Redman, and in this video tutorial we'll be looking at the topic of local relief. Now this video is to help you revise and study, maybe at the end of the unit or just for your homework. Just a quick recap on how to do local relief. So local relief, what is it? Well, local relief is finding the difference between two heights on a map. So you'll have point A and point B. Now you just want to find the elevation between, the elevation difference. So remember, elevation is above sea level. So let's say point A up here, point A is 500 meters above sea level. Point B down here might only be 250 meters above sea level. And this will all be on the contour lines on a topographic map. So you'll be able to work out the height with the contour lines. So point A is 500 meters above sea level and point B is 250 meters above sea level. So to work that out, all we have to do is very easy. It's just you minus, so you get 500 and then you take away 250. So it's point A minus point B. So 500, elevation of 500 meters above sea level minus 250 meters above sea level is 250 meters. So that's pretty similar. So the local relief between point A and point B is 250 meters. So it's not that hard. It's a fairly simple topic and it's pretty easy to understand. But let's do another example. So grab out those maps of Lake Macquarie district that I've handed to you, and we'll have a look at, do an example with one of those. So if you go to 748475, so remember we've got the grid references across the top here. So 7, 4, and then go across to the 8 and 475, which will be up the side. So I hope you've all got your maps with you. Now, so we're going to find spot height of 95. Now, in this map's a scale of 1 to 25,000. So 1 centimeter equals 250 meters in real life. So 1 centimeter on the map is 250 meters in real life. And each contour line is 10 meter intervals. So we'll start off sea level, next contour will be 10 meters, next 20, 30, 40, 50, and it goes on. And remember, a thicker contour line means that it's 100 meters. So that's, if you want to do it real quick, you just look for a thick one and you go, right, that would be 100 meters. Then the next thickest one will be 200 meters. But on this map, we're just looking at spot height of 95, so there's not actually a thick contour line yet. So what I'd like you to do, we count down the contours. So obviously you've got a spot height of 95, so this is going to be our point A. Point B is at the playing fields in 73,473. So if you'd like to go there, so playing fields. Now, so all we have to do is we've got to go from spot height of 95 and just count the contours down to the playing fields. So we'll go 95, so next one will be 90, then we've got 80, 70, 60, and you can see on that contour line it's got 60 marked. Then we go 50, 40, 30, 20, 20 is marked in the contour line as well, and then 10. And you can see the contour line of 10 meters above sea level actually goes through the field. So all we have to do now is we've got spot height of 95, field of 10 meters above sea level. So it's fairly simple. So 95 meters above sea level minus 10 meters above sea level. So what would that equal? 95 take 10 equals 85 meters. So the local relief of this example we've done of Lake Macquarie on the Lake Macquarie map, the spot height of 95 and the sport field, the local relief between those two is 85 meters. So we've done an example, and I just want you to remember, guys, local relief is just minusing one position on a map to the other. So point A minus point B. It's that simple. Just subtract those two and you'll get the answer for local relief. So I hope that was clear and you all understand. I'll see you in class, and feel free to come and ask me any questions. Thanks, class.